Welcome to my channel all about RVing. Going to have tips and tricks on what equipment I use, tips and tricks on how I travel. In the past I've owned toy haulers, I've owned Class A's. I currently have a Super C. I have a Class B van that is mostly converted to a camper. It's not officially a camper. I have an enclosed trailer that I've converted mostly to a camper. It's got a bed in it, some things that are really cool and upgraded about it. I have an off-road utility trailer that I haul behind my Jeep when I go out in the backwoods. So I've got lots of experience with lots of different kind of campers, lots of different environments. On this channel I'm going to talk about the advantages and disadvantages of each type of RV. Trailers versus drivable RVs versus fifth wheels versus just utility trailers. We'll delve into the new little ones like the little R-Pods and things like that a little bit. I don't have one, but I'd certainly love one. I have extensive experience with solar setups on RVs, and I'm going to go through the full install of a solar system on my utility trailer, and I've already installed solar system on my Class C. So I'm going to put up videos about what I did and what I bought and what I needed. Going on adventures all the time. Absolutely love to get out in the RV, travel, stop here and there. Talk about how I find campsites and how I find free campsites and how I just don't like staying in an RV park or a mobile home park or government campgrounds are really good. I've enjoyed them. They don't have as many amenities as, say, a full hookup. But I love to boondock. We boondock what seems like most of the time. And with our solar setup, we're able to work and have electricity and internet. I'll go over different internet options that I've explored. I actually just found a new one this morning that I can't wait to go look at and upload. Buy it and give it a try. Going to probably get a Starlink. We'll see how that works out. So if you're interested in things like that, welcome to my RV channel. And check out the different playlists. One will be all about solar, one will be all about my Super C, one will be about my Class A and things I did with it and how it worked and the differences between driving a Class A and driving a Class C. So thanks for watching. Like, share, subscribe, tell your mom.